I'm going to show you how you can buy Apple gift card from the App Store. Now, first off, from the App Store, you want to go ahead and go to your account on the upper right here. Now, once you go to this account, you want to tap on Send Gift Card by Email. Now, once you tap on Send Gift Card by Email, you'll be put into this UI here. Now, it depends on who you want to buy this gift card to. If you want to send it to yourself, then just add in your own email. But other than that, then and then the recipient's email, send it in, enter in a message, and then pick how many one you want to actually buy. If you want to buy the one of quota you want to buy on the Apple gift card, just pick any one of these. Now, once you do that, you'll have to tap on next here after you enter in the email, the message, and after you pick the value of your gift card as well. Once you pick all of these and then you tap on send, you will be charged and then your gift card will be sent. If you send it to yourself, then you can check it on your actual email. If not, if you send it to someone else, then you should tell them to check their email. And then that's it. You're done. That's how you buy an Apple gift card on the App Store. It is much easier actually if you want to buy it on the external app. You can buy it on apple.com or you can just buy it on an actual convenience store as well. Nevertheless, if you want to buy it from the App Store, this is how you do it.